Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech exclusive. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead and see what this month's theme is. Last month it was called Voyage, and I made a really cool nautical necklace and anklet from it. So this time it's called Furry Friends. Oh boy. I love dogs and cats, all animals really. Alright, there's going to be a bunch of stuff in here. It says 18 items, but they're breaking them down into lots. 3 lots, 2 lots, 4 lots. So let's see what we got. We have some cat heads, which I recently got these. Was it like a month or 2 ago? For the first time. The ones I got were black. These here are colored. There is green, like an olive green and a turquoise. They're both really cute. I like those. Especially the colors. They're my kind of colors. And then we have some greyhound dog heads. I've gotten these before too. These are cool. I think mine are black. Look at that. These are half Labrador. So one side is clear and one side is silver. They're pretty neat. But because of how the hole is going this way, I feel like it kind of limits me what I can do with them. I wish that the hole went this way because it would be so cool as earrings, you know? I think a bracelet would probably be best done with them. What else? Oh, here's another dog. This one's in a different color. I wonder if this is the chalk one. What's it called? Chalk Lila Luster, something like that. Which is like a purplish pink color. And then there is this charm. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's in my favorite turquoise color. It's enameled. This is so precious. It even has a red collar. The detail is incredible. I love that. Alright, and then we have a little bone. Oh my gosh, there's rhinestones on it. So cute. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, I think I would use this for a closure, kind of like a toggle. Yeah, I don't think I would use this for a charm unless there's like a whole bunch of charms in here that all looks awesome together for like a charm bracelet, but this would be so cool as a closure. Like a lariat style necklace or even just a closure in a bracelet. I'm gonna see what I can do. But yeah, I like the idea very much. There's another bone. This one's white and that one's pink. I don't think I'm gonna open that because you already kind of saw what it looked like. And no way, these are weird. Wow, these are so cool. Oh my gosh. It's that rubbery finish that they put on acrylic beads. I think it is. That's what it feels like. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? There are acrylic beads that have this really neat matte finish like this. It's not shiny at all. And when you feel the beads, it actually feels like a rubber coating that's added to the beads. That's what it feels like. Those are cool. I think those are Scottish Terriers. Those are really darn cool. And then we have a cat. Oh my gosh, and it's enameled again. In my favorite color. So cute. That's really precious. And then here are some more cats. And they're double-sided. These are perfect for earrings. I think I would want a bead in it, though. I'd probably put a bead above them instead of just having charms. Because beads make everything better. Everything. Shoes are okay, but when you put beads on them, they're better shoes. Headbands are okay, and then when you put beads on them, they're just it's a better headband. That's what I like to do. Cover everything in beads. These are bails, not pinch bails, but they do have this little lever here. You push that down, and the charm pops in. So these will actually work on all of these charms. If I wanted to, I could put these in all the charms. And then we have some beads. What are these? I think I've seen these before. I think I own them, but I think I've seen them in like magazines where they introduce new beads to the world. It's like a half of a Czech fire polish bead. That makes sense. See that? One side's round, one side's flat. Kind of strange. Kind of strange. There is a lot of stuff in this month's box, by the way. I think I'm going to be here for a while. These are Bicones, and I believe they are Czech Bicones. There is, okay, there's Swarovski Bicones, right? And then there is MC, which stands for Machine Cut Crystal Bicones, which I actually buy those more than Swarovski because they are really good quality. I would say they're very close to Swarovski. Sometimes I actually can't tell the difference between them and Swarovski, and they're very affordable. And then there is a Preciosa Bicone, which I think that's what this is by looking at it, because it just has like, the shape of it is kind of different, okay? It has like these big ends here. Do you see how big that looks? So I think this is a Preciosa Bicone. There's actually a Czech fire polish bead in there. I don't think it's supposed to be in there. Right there. But then there's also faceted glass Bicones, which those have sharp edges. So yeah, there's a few different kinds that I have and that I've seen. And then we have, what's this? More bails. These are actual pinch bails though. Yeah, you'll need tools to close those. But these here you won't. You just snap the charm on. These are precious. I love these. It's like a rose gold color. The rondelles. And they're fancy because they're two-tone. One side's metallic and then the middle is transparent. Those are really pretty. I think you can actually see them better in the bag than in my skin because they're actually really close to my skin tone. I like those a lot. And then we have daggers. My dagger collection is getting so big, and I think it's because of the Czech Beats exclusive monthly subscription box, because they give these out a lot. This color is a smoky quartz. I think that's what it's called. Or just smoky. But there is a smoky quartz bead that I have a bunch of. And that's the color to me. And we have another doggy charm. Hey, I want Chihuahua dog charms because I am a Chihuahua person. What's this? It's another terrier. Pink. I don't think I've ever seen a Chihuahua charm. I've seen poodles, terriers. I've seen those a lot, but I don't think I've seen a Chihuahua. Very cute. So cute. I love the colors. The pink and a turquoise. There's a bunch of those in this box. Oh, here's that funny looking bead again. Oh my gosh, this color is incredible. Look at that. I gotta open it up. And you know, if you go to their site and you put the product code in, it'll tell you what the color is. Right there's the product code. But look at this. So one side is silver, right? And then this is the other side. This makes me want to make something with them so that this color is shown the most because it looks incredible. It actually kind of looks like my black opal ring there. It's really pretty. Okay, and then we have, ooh, Drux. Look at these. Now I gotta know what this color is called, so I'm definitely gonna go onto the site and look for this because I have never seen this color before. These are precious. I know they're matte, and that they're AB, but I don't know what this color would be called. That is so pretty. They actually look like they're vintage to me. And then we have some seed beads. I like how they have their seed beads like this. They mix the sizes together, so I see that there's either a 10 or 11 over in here. There's 8 O's and 6 O's. That's 3 different sizes. Is there also a 15? I've bought seed beads from them multiple times, and I like how they mix the sizes together like this, because I don't normally see a lot of bead stores do this unless they make their own mixes themselves, which a lot of bead stores don't do that. So yeah, there's actually 2 different colors of gold in here. There's one that looks bronze-like. It's pretty. And then we have some more charms. Here's another terrier. So cute. This is an off-white. And then another terrier. What color is he? Black. Oh my gosh. So white, pink, and black. Where'd the pink one go? What a fun color mix. Oh, it's somewhere. Right here. That's cute. I like all 3 of those together. And then we have some Czech fire polish beads. They're 3mm in bronze. My favorite bead color to use because it goes with everything. Bronze is my seed beads I use more than any other seed bead. And turquoise is my favorite color. These are actually not regular bronze. These are different. I wonder if there's a coating on these. They look paler to me. So they might be different. Did I get them all? Okay, there's still more things in the box. What else could there possibly be? There's so much in here. Rondelles. These are cool. It's like a smoky quartz color, just like the daggers earlier. Really small, maybe 3x5mm rondelles. But I'll see when I'll go to the paper because it'll tell me the size. These are pretty. There's a lot of charms in this month's box. Very cute charms. Okay, still going. Let's see. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, I think I've gotten this in my bead stash, but mine are transparent. I think it's called apricot. It's actually a 2-tone bead. It's clear and this like orangey apricot color. These here though are matte with AB. Mine are transparent. I think with a luster on them. Very pretty. I like those. I also have a quartz drop points that are this color. Pretty. And then another one. Oh my gosh, and in my favorite color of all. Where did I put them on? Right there, look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh, I think I want to make a charm. Like a keychain charm thing out of them or something. And then we have these. Is this purple iris, I think? You know, with how these beads are shaped, being flat on one side or on the other, I think that a barrel-shaped bead would look neat in between them. You know what I'm saying? Put these together, have a barrel-shaped bead in the middle. They're cool. Alright, so here's everything in the box. I'm going to go to the list and see what everything's called. I want to know what these are called. Maybe they will be on the list. And I think that's everything, so I will be back. Alright, I went over the list and I do see one thing that's marked wrong on the list, and I will tell you about that when I get to it. It's further down the list. Alright, starting number 1, we have lovely cat face beads. These are 12mm beads. And then there is this poodle pendant, which is 20mm by 16mm, and we have dog bone charms. These are 18 by 17mm, and like I said, I think I want to use those for like a closure, toggle closure, because they're so darn cool. And then we have the dog round charms. These are 21 by 15mm, cat oval charm 15 by 9.5mm, terrier charms. There's 4 of those. They're so cute. And these charms, by the way, are 11mm by 14.5mm, and then these dog beads are 13 by 20mm. They're pretty big. And then there is this bicone here, 16mm bicone, 6mm bicone, excuse me. And then the seed beads here, and it just says it's a mixed size of seed beads. And like I said, I saw 3 different sizes in the bag. There could also be 15s in there. I'd have to sift through it. And then right here we have Czech fire polish beads in 4mm and 3mm, and we have 15 by 5mm dagger beads. These here are fire polish beads, but it doesn't say if they're half round or anything like that, but I'm thinking it kind of is something like that. It just says it's an 8mm fire polish beads, and there's 3 lots of those. And then we have useful bales here, 7mm by 3.5mm. I probably will be using these on the dog charms. And then we have rondelle beads. These are 3 by 2mm. Cat charm, 22 by 12mm. Round spacer beads, 3mm. Now this is wrong. These are definitely 4mm. They're Czech Drux 4mm, and I want to go on their site to see what this color is called because it's really unique and beautiful. And these here, I love these too. These are called fire polish beads 5 by 3mm. These are also rondelles. So this is everything I got in the box. I like it a lot. I love dogs. I love cats. And this is really cute. I like this mix a lot. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, I will leave a link for this subscription down there below in the description bar. And if you are like me and you love pets too, you probably will want to go to their site and look around, because I think in a previous box I got a pink poodle from them, and it's making me want to go through my stash and see if I can find it in there. But yeah, this is so cute, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.